So recently I picked up a DJI Mavic Mini, as you can see here, and this little drone has quite the set of features. I decided to, play with it for a couple of weeks, fly it around the backyard, see how it handles and what kind of video we can produce with it. And I'll give you a quick overview as we go forward. Oh, it's a beautiful day out today, so we're gonna hang out in the backyard and maybe fly the drone. The sun is shining, the fire pit's going, and the kids are happy. Let's see how this thing looks from the sky. So that was it for today in the beautiful backyard that my wife made for us. The kids enjoyed it, I enjoyed it, got some good drone footage, and I hope to see you in the next video. Overall, I'm fairly impressed with the drone. I think the footage that we got off of it was really great. And, it's a ton of fun to fly and get the extra footage of it going in slow motion and everything like that. For an entry-level drone, I think that you can't go wrong. If you'd like to support the channel, there's an affiliate link in the description. And that will allow a little bit of kickback to me if you decide to go purchase it that way. No extra cost to you, but it does give me some credit. Thank you. Hi, this is Jacob again. If you like what you saw here, why don't you check out my other videos? Otherwise, if you leave a like, a subscribe, or maybe even a comment, I'll be sure to respond to you, and hopefully we can grow this channel. Thanks.